Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings, and once you're in the settings, you should go to the first option, which is Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, the restart. So this is the most common fix. Now, if that did not help, what you guys want to do is go over and forget the network. So we're going to click on forget. Now, as you guys can see, we cannot connect back to it because it's already forgotten. So what are we going to do now is we're going to go over and we're going to switch the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So if you have two networks just like me, this one is 2.4, this one is 5 gigahertz. We're going to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz now, because we want to check out if it'll work. So as you guys can see, we are now connected to the 2.4, and of course we can connect back to the 5G. Then we can just switch the networks. As you guys can see, we can do it just like that. And what are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over and scroll down until we see system and updates. Here we're gonna click reset, and we're going to click on reset network settings. So this will reset our Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, but we're going to click on it. Now we need to reset network settings, and as you guys can see, we got the confirmation. Now all of those issues should be fixed, and all that's left to do is toggling the Wi-Fi on and waiting for the networks to show up. Then we will have to connect to it again and it will work. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.